Volatility is back in full force yet again today. Bitcoin moving up 89,000, 85,000. Shiba Inu coin actually back up. Shiba Inu coin is on the rise today to 1,429 points per coin, which is excellent compared to where we were yesterday. And we've got a lot of statistics. Let's put it that way. A lot of statistics to go over in this video here, talking about Shiba Inu coin burns and whales and everything else. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and we got a lot to go over with Shiba Inu coin, so let's just jump right into it. It says that SHIB is gaining traction with burn rates rising and whale activity, prompting cautious optimism among traders about its ability to hold key support levels. Now, we see that Bitcoin is hitting about 87,500 right now. It came back down to that $85,000 level, and that is right there at that 200 period exponential moving average, wicking down and touching it yesterday, wicking down and touching it today. It is crucial that Bitcoin holds this level of support. Otherwise, we may be on our way back down to the $70,000, $75,000 area, which nobody wants to see right now because that will translate into losses for Shiba Inu coin as well. But the same way that Bitcoin found support yesterday, Shiba Inu coin seems to be finding some support today. Now, we've seen this before. Clearly, Shiba Inu coin finding support in the 1,500 point per coin range, finding it yesterday at that 1,300 point per coin range, bouncing off of it. But as Bitcoin decides which direction the market is going, Shiba Inu coin will and should follow along. So now that we know what the price is looking like, let's take a little bit of a look here at the overall statistics. It says that the Crypto Basic reported that Shiba Inu coin's trying to find support around that 1,470 point per coin level. I would say it's a little bit more at about 1,300 points per coin, at least at the moment, wicking down, testing it, and coming back up. If Shiba Inu coin fails to hold this support, we could be on our way back down to 1,260. Absolutely agree. Now, SHIB burn data shows that 2.14 million SHIB were burned over the last 24 hours, which is an extremely low number, but it's a 100% increase from the previous day. 125 million Shiba Inu coins have been removed from circulation over the last 7 days, which is still pretty good. It's roughly, 15-20 million Shiba Inu coin per day that is being removed from circulation. Obviously not going to reduce the supply in any sort of a time frame that you and I are going to appreciate, but nonetheless, these are community members stepping up and removing Shiba Inu coin. It's not the ecosystem team. It's not some profitable business. These are community members removing SHIB from circulation. Now, this is a very good sign, right? Crypto Basic data highlighted that more Shiba Inu coin investors are in profit compared to February of 2024. Now, if we do go back to February of 2024, we can see that that's this area right here. That's when Shiba Inu coin was trading below 1,000 points per coin. So the good news is, even though some traders may have bought in on this spike here, more traders are profitable at the 1,400 point per coin range than they were profitable at the 1,000 point per coin range. Clearly, it makes sense, but we did have a lot of FOMO buying going on back in March, and we had a lot of FOMO buying going on in December, which is one of the reasons that fear is so high right now, because people buy these spikes, and they're unwilling to buy the dip. They buy as the price is hitting new highs or fresh highs, but they're unwilling to buy as the price is hitting fresh lows. And if it was the exact opposite, right? Everybody would be making so much money because they would only ever buy on the dip. But it seems as though retail really likes to only ever buy on the rip. So as they buy in and they see the prices falling, we get a higher level of fear in the market. Fear to greed index falling drastically yesterday. I mean, this is today, but basically on yesterday's data going into today. Level of 26 fear out here on the CoinStats Fear and Greed Index. Yesterday was 29 on CoinMarketCap, and of course we're down to a level of 26 right now. As a matter of fact, guys, a level of 26 on CoinMarketCap is the lowest level that we have ever seen. Now, this data does only go back about 2 years, but nonetheless, 26 fear is the lowest that we have ever seen. And I don't actually know what the lowest is here. 26 fear. 26 fear back in September was the lowest we have seen here. Now, this data only goes back a year, so I don't know what it looked like at the bottom of the bear market. But nonetheless, we are in an extremely fearful situation right now, even though prices seem to be stabilizing. You look at this longer-term level of support for Shiba Inu coin dating back to the middle of 2024, and Shiba Inu coin seems to be holding up perfectly on that line. Same can be said for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still elevated dramatically from where it was last year, and it seems to be holding up at that 200 period moving average, but nonetheless, people are afraid. Now, this goes on to say that end of the block data shows that large transaction volumes are actually increasing. It says daily active Shiba Inu coin large transaction volume and daily active addresses increased 30% and 6.5% respectively in a single day. Now, it's not a huge increase here, but 98 to 101 large transactions are greater than $100,000. And even though the recent drop in meme coins is occurring, 58%, still 40% of the people that own Shiba Inu coin are profitable at this point. Now, you can look at this glass half full, glass half empty. 58% of Shiba Inu coin holders in negative territory. A lot of these people are unwilling to sell for a loss, which means that we should see Shiba Inu coin hold times going up if the price is low. Clearly, nobody wants the price to be low. Guys, I'm not done buying the dip, right? I'm still buying it, but I'm sick and tired of saying, let's go buy the dip. I want a bull market. I want major gains. I want that FOMO rally. I want these prices to go on a ridiculous explosion so that we all make as much money as we possibly can. But I will say this. I want those that are willing to push through to be rewarded. I want those who are doing the work to be rewarded. I can't help it, right? If you're waiting to time it and Shiba Inu coin begins to rip up and you decide to get in, it's 6,000, 8,000, 10,000 points per coin, and that's when you decide to buy. Those that are willing to push through all of the negativity, those that are willing to buy when others are fearful, those that are willing to see this market through, those are the ones that will benefit. Now, Shiba Inu coin bouncing back today. It's a good sign of life in the cryptocurrency market and in the meme coin space, even though we're seeing a lot of declines. One of the places that I am accumulating is out on the KSX exchange right here, and you guys can see maker and taker fees on futures, 0% on Shiba Inu coin. So if you guys want to come out here and trade Shiba Inu coin on leverage, 0% fees. 0.01% fee on things like XRP and Bitcoin. So just look at the fees before you buy if you guys are worried about 0.01% or whatever. And then the latest meme coin that I've actually bought is, I actually think it is the latest meme coin that I don't think I've averaged down on any of these meme coins since. But Bitcoin Bull, you guys got a link for this one down in the description below. This one is going to see major benefits and major rewards for Bitcoin, for Bitcoin Bull holders as Bitcoin performs even better. You guys can see they've done, what is this, $2.8 million in inflows. 2 days and 18 hours, the price is going to rise. It's a very simple process to scan the QR code, connect your wallet, type in how much you want, and of course you guys can check this roadmap out right here to see when you're going to get Bitcoin added to your wallet and when they're going to be airdropping those tokens, as well as burning the Bitcoin Bull tokens. Let me know what you guys are interested in down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.